So agriculture was one of the first industries to invest in solar, and egg farmers were at the forefront of that. Solar is changing the energy landscape. For a long time, energy was something that these farmers had zero control over, and now they're taking it into their own hands and saying, well, now we are actually able to have greater control moving forward on that electricity. That's from a renewable resource, so better for the environment, and it's going to be around for 20 years plus. This site here will power the equivalent of around 170 average Australian homes. The 20-year carbon abatement for a system of this size would be approximately 40,000 tonnes. So you look at an equivalent of about 540 cars off the road every single year, which is very significant. Egg farming and solar are the perfect fit because the sheds that chickens are kept in are temperature controlled. In the peak of summer, peak of heat, the middle of the day is the time when they're working the hardest to keep the chickens cool. And that is the time when solar generates the most electricity, so they marry up almost perfectly. Egg farming is a lot more sophisticated than you might think, and they use a lot of high-tech machinery. Another benefit to farmers is energy security, and that is effectively that for the next 20 years plus, farmers know that up to 40% of their electricity will be generated on site, and they know exactly what that will cost, and therefore they're less susceptible to energy price rises. So there is significant work that's involved in installing a solar system, from engineering, designing the system, installation. So construction of solar farms creates jobs, particularly in rural areas and communities. Previously, when a number of the egg farmers installed solar, there was a skepticism in regards to, will solar actually work? Now that's changed, and a lot of that has come from farmers who installed solar having that pride and spreading the word to other businesses. 2 years ago, I sat in a room with the Pace family and brought the idea of solar to them, discussed solar, and now seeing today a system with over 2,900 panels in it, generating clean electricity, that's helping this farm, this business save money, do something better for the environment. That's ultimately the greatest satisfaction that I get.